Hey artists! Welcome back to my channel. This Wednesday is Earth Day, which will be a fantastic opportunity to celebrate with our CA middle school community. However, as visual artists, we're going to celebrate Earth Week and create ephemeral works in nature. The artist we will reference as our largest source of inspiration is Andy Goldsworthy, who crafts from natural materials. Goldsworthy's pieces are ephemeral, meaning they are designed to disappear as nature takes its course. While some of Andy Goldsworthy's artworks showcase symmetry, others highlight the artist's fabulous skill in achieving visual balance. As we look at some of Goldsworthy's pieces, please pay attention to the movement achieved through his clean lines, smooth transition of value, and successful composition while photographing these works. For your project, I am providing you with two options. Option 1, a nature mandala, in which radial symmetry is achieved, or symmetry around a central axis, through the placement of natural elements. Why a mandala? Mandala is a Sanskrit word, loosely translated to mean circle. However, a mandala is far more than a simple shape, and can be viewed as a beautiful representation of our Earth and even life itself. Option 2, a work that highlights or represents a part of nature. For this, we are looking to enhance the beauty of an immovable part of nature, such as a tree, or to mimic natural shapes. Regardless of choice, I ask that your project be, at minimum, 1 foot in any dimension. There is no maximum dimension for this project, so think amazing thoughts. First, you will need to brainstorm. Questions that lead your brainstorming include: what materials do you have to utilize, whether in your immediate yard or within your neighborhood? And what element or elements of art would you like to highlight in your piece? A copy of our Elements of Art reference guide is included in our OneDrive folder, with link included in our assignment and in the description box below. Once you are ready to create with materials in hand, get ready to record. Whether you are using an iPhone or Android, please work with your family to utilize the time-lapse included in your phone's video options. You can have someone record you to capture different angles as you create, or set your phone on a chair or steady surface to record. Finally, due to the ephemeral nature of these works, photography of each piece is critical. Reflect on your chosen element or elements of art to help you structure the composition of your photograph. When finished, it is so important to read and review steps listed in our assignment for submission. Follow these steps carefully to upload your video to the appropriate OneDrive folder. You will also need to complete an artist statement within the written section of your Blackbaud post, with your final photograph attached. I cannot wait to hear from you during the week as you make fantastic progress with your works in nature. Stay safe, stay creative, see you soon.